All right, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be, I got a little surprise for you. I got a care package in the mail today. Probably one of the most expensive transmissions that you could buy for at least a stick shift thing. So before you get started, make sure you hit that like, sub, and that bell for notification. Let's get into unboxing this pig, huh? This thing weighs like 150 pounds. It's ridiculous. And I hate all these staples, but like they got a staple like every couple inches. It's a good steady box, but you know what? This is a T56 Magnum faceplate with every bell and whistle you could think of on the faceplate 1 through 4. To me, that's gonna make racing a little bit more fun again. You know, I got a clutch coming from McLeod. It's the 69-2307 HD version, so that's going to be fun too. So we plan on getting this in before my Fat Man invasion that I'm doing on Sunday, but got to get all these staples out first before they cut my hand open. All right, so I had to get my assistance of cousin Paul here. That's your name now, by the way. And this thing is super, holy crap. They don't play around, bro. At least it's not peanuts. Oh, they gave me another shifter. No, that's the one. Did I take mine off? I did.
No.
No. Oh, it came with one.
Yeah, that other one came with one.
Right. Oh yeah. Jesus. Why are you so heavy? Just to give you guys an idea of a T56 faceplated transmission, this is a Magnum that's been converted. So gear 1 through 4 now are synchronless. So that means this thing's gonna shift whether I put a clutch in or not. But it's always smart, especially on a T56, it's always smart to make sure that, on a Tremec, just any faceplate for that matter. Bob Hanlon's kind of like, you know, he's kind of preached to me and coached me along over the years, and you know, a faceplate will make it shift guaranteed, but it'll also make the trans a little weaker, if that makes any sense. Because what's good about synchros is they kind of slow the gear down, so they slow the impact and the engagement of the teeth. What's nice about the T56 is it's a bad MFer, so you know it's gonna shift and it's not gonna give a shit whether I put the clutch in or not. But I'm still gonna want to take the load off of my input shaft because I kind of want to keep it for a while because it was super expensive. I'm gonna leave the expense out of it because if my wife watches this video, she'll probably hang me from a tree. But we're gonna go ahead and pass on that, and it's not cheap. And I've been saving a long time to do this, and I figured I was gonna do this and the clutch at the same time. As I said earlier, I'm gonna get a 69-2307, which is a 10.5-inch twin disc. I've already got it, it's on its way. It's an RXT HD version, so it's good for 1200. And this transmission should be good for about 1000 or 1200. We're gonna wear all that stuff in hopefully before Fat Man's on Sunday, which Fat Man Invasion's an actual event that we have here in Northeast Ohio. Oh wait, 1 second, I'll say some more about it. Oh my Jesus. Bro, I work out and this is heavy. You okay? Mm-hmm. So there it is. Anyways, Fat Man Invasions is an event, a really cool event that Adam, Tom, and I forget who the other guy, I think his name's Tim, actually they started here in Northeast Ohio, and it was like, it's pretty big. It's like a 2,000 man event. So anyways, check out this. I mean, it's just your normal T56. That's what it looks like, at least. They definitely went through, cleaned it. Adjustable pivot ball, this is the one I sent with it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So anyways, faceplating, what they did was they took the synchros out and they welded fingers to my gears. So they take the synchros out of it. Now, is this streetable? Absolutely. We've streeted faceplated transmissions for years. You just don't gear down on them, you know what I mean? Because they don't have a synchro to gear it down. But this is a pretty badass little piece here. So I know they put these transmissions, and when they faceplate them, you're talking some of the big vloggers that do big horsepower stick shift stuff. This is probably what they have. And it's no joke. And I had this T56 Magnum for probably, I don't know, 2 or 3 years. And then we beat second gear up pretty bad. And I was like, you know what? At my last stick shift event in May, I took it to Brad Carroll. I'm gonna get a shout out to Brad Carroll over at Liberty Gears. He really took care of me. Very good customer service. He's a good friend of mine. So anyways, I wanna give him a shout out. Oh, we got a t-shirt. Oh, thanks, Brad. Thanks, guys. That's awesome. Oh, okay, one more thing I wanted to show. I know this video, I'm gonna probably break it up into sections, but I might just let it roll. Bob Hanlon, big shout out to Bob Hanlon too. He sent me this. This is a T56 shifter. It's like a special shifter that he had made or whatever. Let me put it down here. Pretty dope. He said, I want you to check this out. I want you to run the shit out of this and see what you think. He says the shifts will be better. So I trust Bob with a lot of things. And Hanlon Motorsports, you can see right here, hanlonmotorsports.com. It's a small family business, so don't beat him up with questions and stuff. He's just an old stick shift guy that knows his stuff. Him and Linda are both very good people. So anyways, there it is. So if you want to hold the camera for me, we'll try to go through some of the gears. Hear it? That's the fingers going back and forth. I think that's first. Okay, so first isn't synchro. Second. Third. Fourth. We don't do fifth and sixth. Hell, I don't think I've ever been in fifth and sixth. Anyway.
Not with that training.
So here we go. There it is. Unboxing of the T56 Magnum. That thing's a bad mamma jamma. So it's going to go in my black GT. For those who don't know, we're back in black this week. Project Hot Wheels is kind of coming to an end as far as our attention, because we've done what we wanted to do to it. So, you know, I'm super happy with what we've made, with the power we made with Project Hot Wheels, and we're not going to give up on it. We're going to drive shit out of it. But right now we need to get Black Car ready for Fat Man Invasions, and we got a stick shift event that we got to show up to 2 weeks from now. So we're going to turn the 351 up. See, who knows what we'll make power wise. But we got to get the twin disc HD in, and we're going to put the transmission in at the same time. And dude, we're going to send it. Zero given, bro. Send it. So pray for me. That's all I can say. All right, that's it. Make sure you guys hit that like, sub, and bell for notification. I super appreciate everybody's everybody's input on my channel or whatever. But I had been saving for this, and it's super excited. It's like Christmas. I got a nice clutch coming too, but man, I'll tell you what. Anyways, see you guys soon.